Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Bybit. First, you'll need to log into your Bybit account. Once you're logged in, look for the Assets or Wallet section, usually found in the top navigation bar. This is where all your cryptocurrency holdings are managed. From there, you can easily find the specific digital asset you're looking for to deposit. After clicking on Assets, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Find Bitcoin and click on the Deposit button next to it. It's crucial to select the correct network for your Bitcoin deposit. Bybit typically offers different networks, so make sure to choose the one that matches your sending wallet to avoid any issues with your funds. Once you've selected the deposit network, your unique Bitcoin wallet address will be displayed on the screen. You'll also see a QR code, which can be scanned by other wallets for convenience. It's very important to copy this address precisely. Even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds, so always double-check before initiating any transfer. Remember, this address is specifically for Bitcoin. Sending other cryptocurrencies to it will likely result in permanent loss. Also, be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts Bybit may have. Always verify that the network you selected on Bybit matches the network of your sending wallet. Taking these precautions ensures a smooth and secure transaction every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.